Hi everybody, it's Jamie. I've added a new line to the shop, Saturated Canary. They have some super cute images and I am going to show you the ones that I have available in the shop now. This one is called Sketchy. She's a super cute fairy. She's got a Copic marker in the background and she would be super cool to use on cards and give them to your scrappy friends who use Copic markers. And I love these images because you could color in the eyes. And then the next one I have here is called Windy Day. And there's a lot of detail to color, so that's why I thought these images would be really cute and fun to color in. And then we also have Isabella. This is what they look like on the back, so they're pretty big. This is Wedding Bells. This one is Wendy. She's super cute. She's got a little puppy dog. And you can really put like makeup on her because she's got eyelids and lips. So that's what I really liked about these images. And this one is called Free Hug. She's holding a paper that says coupons, free hug. This one is called Ice Cream and Pickles. I am going to be doing a card using this one. I have a baby shower coming up, so she's perfect for that. And this one's called Circus Trixie. And look at her hair. That is just beautiful. She's really big. So those will be available in the Zibbit shop. Leave me a comment below letting me know what you think of Saturated Canary line. I'd love to hear from you. And have a great day, ladies. Bye.